Hello, students. Good morning. I'm pre-recording this because I will probably be sharing the same thoughts with all the classes, and thus I decided to pre-record it. So, what I wanted to say was that physics, science research, in a way, is analogous to rock climbing or mountain climbing. And in mountain climbing, you usually have a team of climbers, and one of them ventures forward, up, uh, like a trailblazer, and then hooks up the ropes, uh, finds the best path possibly, and then pulls other team members up, helps them climb up. And once they reach that level, then that person helps them to climb even higher. So the same thing goes on in the science research, scientific research, and obviously studying science, learning science. We have people who have advanced science, and then other people who try to catch up with them, understand what they have achieved, understood how nature works, how laws work, and so forth. And then those younger generations ventured higher, further, trying to deepen our understanding of nature and physics. By the way, in Greek, in ancient Greek, as far as I remember, or even today in Greek, it means nature. So physics, in a way, is the science that is trying to understand how nature works. And by nature, it can mean anything from minuscule atoms to galaxies and to the whole universe. So our task as physics teachers and physics students, and that's a common task for all of us, is to help each other to pull up higher. And once you reach certain level of understanding, try to bring your team members up to there, and then venture forward to the point, to the level of incompetence. So that's the level where you don't know what it is, you don't know what's going on. You may have some ideas, understanding may be quite murky, but this is the process when you learn. So most of you will feel like that from time to time, some more often, some less often, and it's okay, meaning that if you feel like you don't understand something, it means your brain is trying to sort it out, trying to learn, and this way you will learn. You don't always want to feel uncomfortable, incompetent, obviously. But from time to time, we will feel that, and it's okay. Okay, and that's the point we ask questions, and that's the point we're trying to climb up. Climbing up, obviously, is difficult. Just like in the mountain climbing, rock climbing, sometimes research goes sidewise, like sidetrack. Sometimes it retreats from the ideas that came to be not really correct, and discard some theories. So again, in the learning process, since science is a learning process, in the learning process here in classes, we will also have this kind of experiences, meaning that you will get somewhere and then you realize that that's not what you wanted, and then you have to kind of track back and then try to reevaluate the situation, the problem, look for more information, ask more questions. And in a way, studying physics is a research. Okay, so you're researching your possibilities, you're researching your capabilities, and you're researching the map of the world, in a way, the map of understanding of how the world works, how nature works. So sometimes you hear of really bright scientists. Obviously, we hear about Einstein, Newton, Maxwell, Feynman, and all kinds of things that they've achieved. The Nobel laureates usually are at the pinnacle, usually. And in mountain climbing, you can think of this someone who went solo. He went up by himself or by herself and achieved enormous things. At the same time, those people have other team members helping them, and other team members are looking up to them and the younger generations try to climb up to their level and exceed that, go beyond that. So examples could be like Marie Curie, Joliot-Curie, I mentioned Einstein, all like brightest people who achieved enormous progress in science are kind of solo climbers, but at the same time, and we don't see it often, there's a whole bunch of people around them, the team, supporting technicians who are helping them to achieve what they achieved. And same thing here in the class. So we will be trying to achieve something. Sometimes you go solo, sometimes you go together in the team, group discussions. But you should never forget that there's a team behind you and you get our support. I will be supporting you as much as I can. But at the same time, you have to do your own climbing. So, and I think this will be enough of talking. I'm going to stop recording and